Sure, alright, I'm gonna go live.
Alright, I believe in you. Oh my god!
What?
93.
You got 93? Oh, you're gonna get this before me.
93s. Let's go, boys. What's popping, y'all? It's your boy Mara Edits back at it with another one. Today we're actually going to be playing Gary V's Veefriends Series 2 game. This is Gary V, a little kind of little bouncy simulator thing. It's wonderful. Complete new innovation in the OpenSea marketplace. Love to see it. Super excited for the rollout of this project. Everyone's trying to get their high scores. So we definitely wanted to cover what's going on in this space. Love to see it. And shout out to Gary V. Hope we see you guys at VCon if we can make it. If we can get a token, you know the vibes. Gonna be trying to get in on this series 2. Complete, amazing new innovation. New 15 characters. Oof, just so excited. But yeah, we're gonna be playing with Finnick Media. Really diving in, just having fun, you know, enjoying our experience as the NFT space unfolds, as Veefriends unfold. You know, love to be a part of it. I'll link down in the socials to all the Veefriends stuff. If you ain't heard about it by now, it's time. All right, y'all, let's get into it. Veefriends. Cash money, can't miss the cash money. Oh, they eat 'em. I haven't seen that yet. You there, Finn fam?
Yes, my bad. I am setting this up. I'm putting a tweet up too. I'm live right now trying to beat the high score for at Gary V's Veefriends 2 game. Here's a link to my stream. I'm partnered with Facebook Gaming. And then feel free to type the link out in browser. Because people are just so fucking... Okay. Alright. Live producer